trying to eat baby duck. Okay, come on, try.
Eat it.
Yeah, eat
Fam,
it.
this is for you and all of you.
Okay, don't talk.
Oh, I feel the duck. I'm eating a baby duck.
Come on, baby. Be stronger. Oh,
It
come
hurts me
on.
knowing I'm eating the baby.
Okay. Okay.
That's good. It's
Okay. Okay, take mine. Go on. Okay.
I feel like I'm biting its head,
Yeah.
crunching the head.
And his wing and finger. Okay. Okay.
The second piece.
Oh, second piece. Woo. And also this leaf is really tasty. It can change the taste. I'm not look at you. I will look around. I will look at you.
It's a new experience to Hanoi. This is a very good cultural dish.
Yeah. Are you okay? Okay. Do you love it? Say you love it?
I like it. I don't know if I love it, but I think if I eat enough, I'll love it. But
Okay.
Hanoi, you guys know how to eat. Yeah, to the people of Hanoi, this is a very tasty dish.
Yeah, sure.
From Los Angeles, I approve of this dish. You should definitely try it for yourself, and yeah, don't be scared. From the energy in the little duck, it's gonna come in you, and you'll have all the energy. So, thank you, fam. I appreciate this experience. I probably will never forget eating a baby egg. In Hanoi.
Okay, I know that.